The Marriott Lakeshore Reserve was one of our favorite timeshare stays. Here's a look at our one bedroom. Oh gosh, let's get some lights. This door led into the studio next door. Then this hall closet had the stackable washer and dryer, as well as a broom and a dustpan. Here's the living area. It had a full screen TV. We did bring our Amazon Fire Stick to stream movies. This sectional pulled out into a bed in case you had extra people in the room. There was a table with 6 chairs. And then I really liked the bathroom. I loved having the double sinks, the magnifying mirror. In the back there was a full-size tub as well as a really nice shower. And then we had this great kitchen area. It had absolutely everything you needed, from the oven and stove to the microwave, the full-size refrigerator, a dishwasher, and it had all of the dishes you could possibly want. We did enjoy this queen-size bed. It was quite comfortable. There was a desk in the corner, another full-size TV, and then there was a door into the bathroom and a full-size closet. If you're staying in a studio or a 2-bedroom, check out my studio video.